we've got some runway now, but it wasn't the hours leading up to this financing. It was the year leading up to this financing. We went from being the largest movie theater chain in the world, most successful, we think the best. In a blink of an eye, last March, we had to shut all of our theaters. We normally have about $5.5 billion of revenue. Our revenue went to nothing overnight. The press was filled with talk about our running out of cash in 2020 and the possibility of bankruptcy. 4 different times in 2020, we had to raise hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars of cash to prevent a bankruptcy filing. In fact, we raised $1 billion between April and November of cash. We got $1 billion of assistance from our creditors and from our landlords. Our theater landlords have just been spectacularly understanding over the past year with us. And that takes us to the end of 2020. We were out of cash again because the virus is still raging and theaters are still closed. But sure enough, with hard work and a lot of will, we put together $400 million more debt and a $500 million equity raise on the New York Stock Exchange. Got us the cash to live to tell the tale.
Okay, but were you sweating it out, Adam? Because at this point, your 5th attempt, and you're asking people to throw money into something that they don't know how it's going to come out in the end. Is it going to come up in a little shriveled pile of smoking green money that is no longer existing? I mean, talk about that challenge and how you did it this recent round.
Well, look, it wasn't that we were sweating it. I think my senior management team and I wanted to really power through this crisis. We knew what we had to do. We had to raise money, and we set off to do it. And we had done it 4 times already, so we thought we could do it again, and we did it again. I wasn't worried. I thought we would get there, but I knew that it would go right to the wire. But in my heart of hearts, I always thought we would make it, and make it we have done. We've raised a lot of money. We've bought ourselves a lot of time. And now, the difference now, as opposed to the last 10 months, is vaccinations are here.
Hi, and welcome back to Market Conversations. Today is February 9th, and I'm going to talk a little bit about AMC and my trades so far in AMC. But before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And right now, Webull is currently offering 2 free stocks, one when you sign up and one more when you deposit $100. You can always take that money back when you get your free stocks. If you are interested, I will go ahead and leave my link down below. So AMC is down 11% today. It has been down almost every single day for the past week. And I feel like this is market manipulation. How can it possibly keep going down every single day? Let's just take a look at the 1-month chart here. It went to a high of 20.36 back on January 27th before falling down all the way to $5.50. So the day after it went all the way to 20.36, several brokerages, mainly Robinhood, started to restrict people from buying stocks like AMC, GameStop, BlackBerry, Nokia, which immediately people got scared and started selling off. And then they just restricted the amount of shares they can buy, which brought the stock back up. And then they eliminated the restrictions just last week, but we are still seeing the numbers go all the way down, even though people are still holding. It just doesn't seem right just because the short interest is still high. So there still might be a possible short squeeze coming, but I wouldn't rely on the short squeeze, but rather that AMC is going to open all the movie theaters and more people are going to watch movies. My price target for AMC by the end of 2021 is at least $20. But hopefully we will get to see that number before then. But just in case you are holding on to AMC, just keep holding on to them and possibly average down. It will help at the end when the stock price does go up. So for tomorrow, I am planning to start buying more shares at $5.50 to bring my average down. And I'm trying to bring it down to at least $6 if possible. If not, I'll just keep adding more shares. If you guys are looking to buy MC at a discount, you can possibly sell a cash secure put. Let's just take a look at the options chain here and go to the 19th February. So I do have a cash secure put of $5.50, which is the price right now. You can collect $79 and wait for the stock price to hit your strike price or below to get a sign. That's one way to do it. And instead of paying for a premium, you get to keep the premium up front. So I do have several cash secure puts, and most of these I'm going to get assigned. I do have to buy 100 shares at $6 and $6.50, which I don't mind because I am planning to hold on to AMC as long as I can. AMC will go up eventually. Just keep holding. Thanks for watching.